Death is the ultimate truth at which all the processes that keep a being alive come to a permanent stop. In humans, figuring out exactly when death happens has become more complex with medical progress. In the past, death was noted when a person stopped breathing and their heart stopped beating. This is called clinical death. But now, with methods like CPR that can restart the heart and lungs, these signs aren't always final. Today, doctors often look at brain death. Interestingly, some creatures make us rethink what we know about life and death. Take the immortal jellyfish, known scientifically as Turritopsis dohrnii. This tiny sea creature can transform its adult cells back into a youthful state, effectively starting its life cycle over again. However, it's not truly immortal. It can still die from disease or being eaten by predators. Humans have always been fascinated by the idea of living longer. This curiosity has led to the field of biogerontology, which studies aging and how we might slow it down. While stopping aging entirely isn't possible yet, making healthy choices can help us live longer and better lives. Eating a balanced diet, exercising regularly, and getting good medical care are key factors. Scientists are also exploring new ways to fight aging. One area of interest is taurine, a substance found naturally in our bodies. Dr. Michael Aziz, who specializes in anti-aging, believes that taking taurine supplements could add 7 to 8 years to a person's life. Research suggests that taurine helps fix damage in our DNA, keeps cell structures stable, and tackles issues like problems in our cells' energy centers, known as mitochondria. It also has benefits for managing diabetes, preventing bone loss, and boosting our immune and nervous systems. Another promising approach involves antibodies, which are proteins our bodies use to fight infections. Researchers are now looking at how antibodies might help us age more slowly. For example, a study in 2021 used antibodies to remove old, non-functioning cells in mice, leading to better health and longer lives for them. More recent research in 2024 found that targeting a specific protein with antibodies reduced inflammation and extended mouse lifespans by 25%, similar to the best anti-aging drugs available. These findings suggest that in the future, we might use antibody treatments to improve human health and longevity, potentially replacing multiple medications with occasional injections. These scientific advances show how our understanding of aging is rapidly evolving, offering hope for ways to significantly improve health and extend life. While true immortality remains a concept of science fiction, current research focuses on helping us live longer, healthier lives. Cultural perspectives on death and dying vary significantly across societies, influencing rituals, beliefs, and practices surrounding the end of life. In many cultures, death is not viewed as a tragedy but as a natural transition. For instance, Jewish tradition cherishes life, yet death itself is not seen as a tragedy. Views on the afterlife vary among denominations, and practices such as autopsy and embalming are generally forbidden under ordinary circumstances. Funerals are held promptly after death in Muslim community. Christians have also their own tradition of putting the deceased one into the soil. More interesting one is sky barriers, which leave their loving ones on the mountaintop, which is slowly consumed by decomposers and scavengers. In modern times, cultural norms and new technologies are reshaping our relationship with death, leading to innovative funeral practices and a newfound focus on aesthetics. The death positivity movement encourages open discussions about mortality. This shift reflects a broader acceptance and preparation for mortality, aiming to integrate it into conscious living. Understanding these diverse cultural perspectives enriches our comprehension of death and dying, highlighting the importance of respecting and acknowledging the varied ways societies honor and remember those who have passed.